you are going to learn why is revising important in your studies. You have to revise what you have studied. You have to revise what you have written down. You have to revise what you have read. Why to do this revision? To boost your confidence and reduce anxiety. The first important point is recall and remember all the topics. To achieve this, you have to read again. That means reading whatever notes you have prepared. Reading everything what you have written down in your notes. Reading whatever you have learned. Reading everything what you have written in your notes so that you try to recall and remember everything. That is the essence of revision. To recall and remember the topics is the essence of revision. The next important point is understand the concepts again. That means you have started your self-study, you have read the concepts, you have written down the concepts, and now you are reading these concepts again as a part of revision. So you try to understand all the concepts again. If you miss anything, again you have to try to recall and remember. Next important point is understand the definitions. The definitions are very important because the definition may be of one line only, but that gives the entire concept. The definition may be of one line only, but that gives the entire concept of the topic. So you have to remember the definitions in the correct wording. You cannot change the wording. Understand the derivations. So when you start reading as a part of revision, you try to focus on understanding the derivations. Of course, every derivation will be of a different type. Some derivation may be finished in one page, some derivations may require 2 pages. But you have to remember each and every derivation, maybe short and long derivations, and write them correctly. The main focus of this method is find the lacuna. That is the topics or the subtopics that you have not understood in this entire process. When you understand the lacuna, what you have missed, you can focus again on that particular step, maybe a subtopic or maybe a topic, revise that, read that, maybe you can write it once more and get to know that step, that derivation, that definition, that concept correctly. And last important point is rewrite the specific topics. Many students will find that they have written down maybe 3 months ago or 2 months ago, 1 month ago. They can remember everything, but not in the proper sequence, or maybe they are missing something. So if you feel that you have to write it down again, then rewrite the concepts in your rough book or in a notebook or on a sheet of paper, so that when you rewrite it, you understand the concept better and your revision will be completed. So friends, this is it. Subscribe to my channel Poly Classes. Click on the bell icon for further notifications. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.